X plus A into X minus B.
X square
Yeah,
plus bracket A plus B into X minus
no,
A minus B
yeah,
into X minus AB.
minus AB, correct. Sarah? X minus A into X minus B.
X square minus brackets A plus X
A plus X.
multiplied by A plus B
Yeah,
multiplied by X
yeah,
minus AB plus AB plus AB.
plus AB, correct. Paki?
Yes, sir. X square
X minus A into
minus
X plus B. Yeah,
X square minus A minus B in the bracket into
yeah,
X
yeah,
and minus AB.
minus AB. Well done. I hope nobody has any doubt in this one. Right? Okay, let's move ahead. So I think how many we are through with? 21 expansions and identities so far. 16 we did in one time. Plus we did that a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc if a plus b plus c is 0 plus 4. So that's 21 so far, right? Let's do now of the type a plus minus b plus minus c, the whole thing squared. Okay. Again, we have a similar way in which we need to do. So let's start with the basic one, a plus b plus c, the whole thing squared. Same way as we did a plus b, the whole thing squared, we're going to do the a plus b plus c, the whole thing squared. So it'll be the square of the first one, square second, square third, plus twice of these two, these two, these two. Okay, same logic that we had. Remember, we did a plus b, the whole thing squared. What did we do? Square, square, plus twice of this two. So same logic, now we're going to expand to 3 of them. Let's see how it works out. Why I'm telling you this, because sometimes, over time, we'll be learning so many identities, so many formulas that we get confused and we forget. So if we know the method of solving it, we can always recall even if we forget a identity or an expansion. Okay. So what do we get? First, this one. So we get a squared, this one, plus, because there's a plus here, so plus b squared, and plus c squared, right? Is this clear so far? Plus, again, like we were doing a plus b, the whole thing squared, we had 2 times. So the 2 times the first two. So 2 times ab plus 2 times the next two, 2 times bc, and 2 times the first and the last, plus 2 times ac, right? Which can be further written into a squared plus b squared plus c squared. We can take out 2 common over here. So this becomes ab plus bc plus ac or ca, whatever it might be. Have you understood the derivation of how to easily remember a plus b the plus c the whole thing squared now? Right? These are small hints and ways in which even when you go into 10th, when this becomes an old subject, if a sum comes along like this and you forget the identity, then how do we solve it? We can easily recap this way. Ishan, yeah?
Sir, we have to make it in order. So it would be a square plus 2ab plus 2ac plus b square plus 2bc plus c
No,
square.
we write it like this, and this is the final one that we get.
Okay.
This is just the helper for you to help you derive this. Ultimately, 90% of the time you'll be using this identity here. Okay. Let's do with the plus minus. Let's start with the minus on the other side. So we have a plus b minus c, the whole thing squared. Ishan, expand. Same way what I taught you the first, this one, and then twice of these two, and these two. Same way, expand this now. Use the same method. Do it on your own and tell me.
Yes, sir. It would be a square plus b square plus c square
Yeah.
plus 2 in the brackets ab plus minus bc
No,
minus ac.
first you tell me this one. The without the
Okay,
bracket.
2ab minus bc and minus ac
No, minus 2bc
and minus 2ac.
minus 2ac. All of you see how we got this minus and minus here? If anybody has a doubt, ask me. Any doubts, anyone, how we got this minus signs? Okay. So ultimately now what does this become, Ishan?
Yeah, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 in the brackets ab minus bc minus ac.
Okay. Clear, everyone? Aryan, let's do this one. There's a reason why I'm, one sec. There's a reason why I'm telling you to do this one before going directly to 2. You'll figure it out in this one now. Okay. So a minus b plus c the whole thing square, Aryan. Try it out.
So a square plus b square plus c square plus one minute.
Plus or minus? These two.
Minus 2ab.
Yeah. These two.
Yes, plus 2. Sorry,
How?
minus 2bc.
We have minus b and plus c. So it will be minus 2bc.
Yes, sir. Minus
And these two.
2bc
Plus
plus
a
2ac.
plus 2ac. Now put the bracket. What will we get?
A square plus b square plus c square minus 2 brackets ab plus bc minus ac.
Okay. Did you all see this one now? What happened now when we have a minus 2ab here? Okay. When I put a bracket, these signs change. Okay. So this is an important part to remember. Whenever we have minus 2ab, the signs inside will change because we will put a minus sign outside when we make a bracket. So everything gets changed there. I hope everyone's clear on this. This is one place in which you need to be careful. Be careful over here. It's a very common mistake that we do. We keep it the minus and the plus there. Remember, if the minus is outside, change the signs inside. Okay, and the last one, a minus b minus c, the whole thing squared. Samita?
Yes, so a square plus b square plus c square
Yeah,
minus 2 ab
yeah,
plus b plus 2 bc
yeah.
and minus 2 ac.
Okay, combine.
So a square plus b square plus c square minus 2 bracket ab minus bc plus ac.
Correct? Right? So you see that in this case, whenever we have this a minus b, in both the cases over here, then the signs inside will change, right? This is only place where you need to be careful about in these two identities there, or these two expansions rather. Please copy these down quickly. We'll do a few practice sums related to this. Are you all done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, solve this question now. Expand. Two x plus 3y minus 4z, the whole thing squared. Quickly. Use the expansion and solve it. Sarah, we want it in that bracket format. Okay, we want that 2 into AB plus BC plus AC format, that one. Ishan, the bracket format.
I need to factorize it.
Yeah, you factorize the end part. Take out the common one and do it. Or
Yes, sir.
you can directly use the identity itself to do it. Whichever you want. Paki, let's solve this.
Yes, sir. So
First, let's tell me the
2x
identity. First,
whole
tell me the
square.
expansion. First, tell me the expansion.
Yeah. A square plus B square plus C square
Yeah.
plus 2AB,
Combine it. 2 into.
AB
Yeah.
minus BC minus CA.
Okay. So now use this expanding in this format. So what will we get?
Yeah. 2x whole square plus 3y whole square plus
Yeah.
4z whole
Oh,
square.
you have to write minus 4z the whole thing square. Remember this.
Oh,
Okay.
okay. Yeah, then plus 2. Okay, sorry.
Okay,
Plus
fine.
2
Even if
into
you write 4z,
2x.
even if you write 4z, it's fine. No, that won't make an issue. Yeah. Plus 2 into
2x into 3y.
yeah minus of
3y into 4z minus 2x into 4z.
okay, which is
4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square
yeah
plus 2 into 6xy minus 12yz minus 8xz
6 minus 12 yz minus 8xz.
8xz.
Okay, further, can we take the anything out common more further here? We can take
Two.
out two common more.
Yeah.
So let's do
Yeah.
that. Two will be
4
4, yeah.
and 4 into 3 xz
xy,
sorry xy
yeah.
minus 4 yz 6 sorry
y4,
6 yz
yeah.
minus 4 xz.
X or x, yeah. Everyone clear on this? Ananya, remember that all the common factors in brackets need to be taken out. Okay. Or you expand in the normal way 2ab, 2bc and 2ac, and then you take out the common factors there. Whichever you want to do, that's fine. Either you can do it directly with this one, or you can take to the 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ac here, and then whatever the common factor is, you take it out. So in that case, you'll get 4 out directly. That's also fine. Okay, let's do another one. 4a minus 5b minus 2c, the whole thing square. Quickly do this. What you can do to avoid the brackets mistake or plus minus, because we have minus sign here, you can expand it that 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac, that format over there, and then you can do it. That makes it easier not to make mistakes. Anyone got this? Just check your plus and minuses in this case. Okay, that's a very common problem that we do, is we make mistakes in plus minus. Ishan, that's correct. Samita, that's correct. Rest of you are here. Okay. Ananya, let's solve this.
Yes, sir.
First expand. Yeah.
So 4a whole square
Yeah.
plus 5b whole square plus
Yeah.
2c whole square
Yeah.
minus 2 bracket 4a multiplied by 5b minus 5b multiplied by 2c.
Minus or plus? Minus or plus? Minus, minus. When you're doing B into C, what will we get?
Sir, I used the bracket. So
No, don't do the bracket one. Do it without the brackets first.
okay. So plus
Plus?
5
Plus 2 into
5b multiplied
5B,
by
2C.
yes plus no minus 2 multiplied by 5b
How 5C?
multiplied by
How 5C?
5b.
How 5B? We did AB, we did BC, now we have to do AC, right? This is AB,
Yes.
this is AC, BC, and this is AC.
Yes.
Getting this?
So yes.
Okay, so what does this work out to be?
So 16a square plus 25b square plus 4c square
Yeah.
and minus bracket.
No, I don't need the brackets. For simplify this further.
Okay.
What's 2
So,
into 4? Multiply all the numerals. 2 into 4 is 8. 8 into 5 is?
40 AB
Yeah. What about the next one?
plus 20 BC
Yeah.
minus 16 AC.
Okay. Now take the brackets, sir.
Okay. 16a square plus 25b square plus 4c square minus 2.
Why 2?
Wait, sorry, I thought that was a
That's 20.
4 bracket 10 AB
Yeah.
plus 5
No,
BC
no. When we have a
Sorry,
minus sign
sorry.
outside, we put a bracket. What do we do?
minus 5 BC plus 4 AC.
Got this? Got your mistake where you made a mistake there?
Yes.
Okay, remember it's a very simple way to find out the bracket side. This is AB, BC, and then AC. Okay, so we have AB, BC, and AC. Okay, do it in that sequence. You won't make a mistake then. Everyone clear on this? Okay,
Yes, sir.
do this one. If A squared plus B squared plus C squared is equal to 29, and A plus B plus C is equal to 9, find AB plus BC plus AC. Quickly do this and tell me the answer. In a lot of places, instead of AC, it will be written as CA. So don't get confused. It's one and the same thing. Okay. Use the same method we've been doing to solve squares. Same kind of a sum. Start with what was given to us, see how we can reach what we have to reach, and use the correct expansion or identity. Ishan, that's incorrect. Check your working. Yes, Ishan, it's correct now. Silly mistake. Rest of you hurry up. Sarah, that's correct. Aryan, no, that's wrong. Paki Samita, what happened? Start with what is known and reach what we have to do. The only way to get this A plus BC plus AC, there's only one way in which you can do that. Paki, that's correct. Aryan, figure out your mistake.
Yes, sir. Just writing the answer.
Okay. Ananya, answer. No, Ananya, that's incorrect. Samita, no. Aryan, it's correct now. Samita, let's solve this.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we have two ways. Okay, we're given two facts. One is a squared plus b squared plus c squared is 29, and the other is a plus b plus c is 9. Out of these two, which identity or expansion do we know, which will enable us to find out ab plus bc plus ac?
So a plus b plus c square, the whole thing square,
Okay.
is equal to a square plus b square plus c square.
Right, so that's the only way we know. So let's start with a plus b plus c is equal to 9. Isn't this our starting point? Ananya, it's
Yes, sir.
correct now. So now we know that we need to square this, so we'll also square the right hand side.
Yes, sir.
Expand.
So 9 square is equal to no, a plus b plus c, the whole thing square.
Yeah, what is that?
9 square.
Expand. What is a plus b
A
plus c equal
square
to?
plus b square plus c square
Yeah,
plus 2 into ab plus bc plus ac.
is equal to 9 squared, which is
81.
okay. Now a squared plus b squared plus c squared is given to you as
29.
yeah plus 2 into
ab
ab
plus
plus
bc plus
bc
ac.
plus ac is equal to 81.
Yes,
So
sir.
solve further,
So 81 minus 29.
which is
52.
yeah. So what is ab plus bc plus ac equal to?
26.
Why
Yes,
did
sir.
you take root?
So I don't know.
There's no square here, right? That we need to take a root. It's always
Yes.
just 2. I think you reached till here.
Yes, sir.
So there's a 2. So it just goes as normal arithmetic, right?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts, anyone? All clear? Let's do one more. Arun, where are you going wrong?
Sir, actually, before I don't know why, but I did 7 square instead of 9 square.
Okay, I've always been telling you first check what you copied down. Did you copy that down properly?
Yes, sir, I copied it down properly, but I took 7 square.
Okay. So
Hmm.
distracted, right? That's a pure sign of distraction. Okay, let's do one more. Again, if a minus b minus c is equal to 3, a squared plus b squared plus c squared is 77. Find ab minus bc plus ca. Quickly. Samita, that's correct. See, if you pay attention and do it carefully, it comes, right? This chapter, we just have to pay a little bit of attention because there's a lot of, plus and minus which is involved. So we have to be careful there. So it's a relatively simple chapter. Only thing is we need to learn the identities and the expansions, that's all. But I've shown you that most of the identities and expansions can be derived, if you know how to solve it. So even if you forget, it'll always, you can always get to the answer. Ananya, the sign is wrong. How did you get a minus sign? Just check that. The numerical value is correct. Sarah, no, that's incorrect. Check your final answers. Check your final working in case there's a plus minus mistake. Yeah, it's correct now. Aryan, that's correct. Ananya, did you figure out where you went wrong?
Yes.
Do that. Paki, let's solve this.
Yes, sir. A minus B minus C square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square minus 2AB
Wait,
plus
what about the
2BC.
square thing on both the sides? Where will 3 come?
Sir, I've done that later.
Start with this, it makes it more easier, right?
Okay.
Right, A minus B
So-
minus C. So usually what we do is we write A minus B minus C is equal to 3 as given. Okay. And then we do A minus B minus C, the whole thing square is equal to 3 square. This is the usual way of steps that you'll have to follow. Because in your exams, and especially in boards, each step carries marks. They see this. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, tell me now.
So 3 square is equal to
Yeah.
77 minus 2AB plus
expand,
2BC.
Paki, expand first.
Oh, A
Rest of them,
square plus
yeah.
B square plus C square
Yeah.
minus 2AB.
Plus or minus? Which one are we doing? One second.
Minus.
Yeah, minus 1, sorry. Combine it directly and try to solve it. What if I do a plus 2? Okay, let's do a
The
minus.
sign.
Yeah, let's do
Yeah.
minus. Let's do minus. Let's not confuse you. Minus 2 into
AB plus BC minus AC.
minus, so plus.
No. Okay, wait, I'm
Minus,
wrong,
plus.
sir.
Minus AC. Yeah, that is correct. This is the formula, right? Right? A minus B minus C, the whole thing squared. What's the identity? A squared
Okay.
plus B squared plus C squared minus 2 into AB minus. We'll get a
Sir,
minus.
it should be
Yeah, this should be a
Minus
Yes, sir.
2BC and plus
plus
2C.
AC. Yeah, so minus and plus. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
minus AB, BC would be plus, and then minus, and AC minus plus. Yeah, sure. Continue.
9 is equal to 77 minus 2 into AB minus BC plus AC.
Yeah.
2 into AB minus BC is equal plus AC is equal to 77 minus 9,
Which is,
68.
yeah.
And then AB minus BC plus CA is 34. I mean 68 upon 2, which is 34.
That's correct. Everyone got this? Ananya, did you figure out where you went wrong in plus minus?
Yes.
Okay, take care. Again and again, you're making the plus minus mistake. You need to be very careful of your integers. Everyone clear? Right? So these are the basic identities which we have. We have a few more which we will cover maybe day after. Tomorrow we'll take a few more practice questions. Okay. For homework, very few sums. Exercise 4C. Yes, Ishan?
Sir, I got disconnected for a while.
Yeah.
So so after this question, you have only did this question only.
Yeah, that's the only question we've done now.
Okay.
Okay, for homework, please do exercise 4C. Will you be able to finish it today? There are only 8 sums. Yes? Please try to do 4C finish
Yes,
it today
sir.
because we have to do more expansions tomorrow. And then after that, we have a few more identities also to cover before we can try to finish this chapter, probably this week. So try to finish 4C for homework and I'll see you all tomorrow then. Bye, everyone.
Sir, do we have
Thank
to
you,
submit
sir.
it on the portal?
Yeah, all homework, all assignments have to be submitted.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.